You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word. This is the plural of the word mujer, meaning woman in Spanish. If you want to learn more Spanish, stay tuned, by the way. So it means women. Mujeres is your Spanish pronunciation. Mu, the U is pronounced like double O, mu, je. The J is pronounced je. If you cannot pronounce it, just replace it with an H, je. Res, mujeres, the stress is on the je syllable. Mujeres. If you cannot pronounce Spanish perfectly, you can say it as mujeres, mujeres. Mujeres, or in Spanish, how to pronounce mujeres. It's easy, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.